Hey guys, all right, so I have no idea why my Ipsy bag for September came so late because I'm doing this unbagging in October. Okay, I got this really late. I have no idea why. And the only good news I do have is that I'm going to be getting the Glam Bag Plus for October. So I'm really excited about that. Glam Bag Plus is $25 and you actually get like full size products every time. So now hopefully I'll be unbagging that next month and we'll be seeing if it's really worth the price. So this is the bag for September. I thought it was very cute. It's black, and then this down here, I don't know if you're picking it up, but it's like a goldeny kind of metallic material. And inside it says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. I like that. I like that. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. And this is the theme for September. All right, so the first thing in here is Glow for a Cause Facial Moisturizing Cream, and this is vanilla and aloe. There's only one thing that irritates me about Ipsy, guys, because I absolutely love Ipsy. I've been getting them for years, okay? I've always said that I don't want moisturizers. I don't know in what language I have to tell them. I've done the quiz a million times. I don't want moisturizers because I hardly ever use them. I have a bunch of them and I hardly use them. So as much as I try, they don't understand that I don't want moisturizers. However, this one smells really nice. So I will try to use it. Next thing in here is from Smashbox, and this is a photo finish primerizer, and this is a primer and moisturizer in one. So primer and moisturizer and moisturizer. You know, I think I would have rather have gotten this. I'm hoping this is like a different formula because I know Smashbox primer is like really like a serum, which is not like my favorite. It kind of is a different, like it's better. I kind of like this formulation, so I'm hoping that I'm gonna love this. Next thing in here looks promising. This is from Trestique, and this is a mini lip glaze in the color English Rose. The color looks right up my alley. Let's see if this is true. Definitely. It's like a raspberry color. Those who know me know I love colors like this, so I'm excited about that. The next thing in here is a cheek blush from Douce or Douce, or I don't know. This is in the color RSVP. Let me take it out of here, but this is a very pretty color. It's definitely a beautiful color. I might be including this in my next giveaway because I have enough blushes as it is. So I might be putting this in a giveaway for you guys. And then the last thing in here is probably like my favorite thing of the whole bag. This is a Luxie brush, and it's a cute one because it's red and black, very sexy. And it says good night on it. And this is a 110 brush. I really love getting brushes, guys, because I'm very lazy to wash my brushes. I'm so lazy to wash my brushes, which is bad, but my God, my dog is gonna drive me up the wall. So that is all for my September Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in subscribing to Ipsy, I will have the link down below. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.